What's up, team? It's Tierra B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a Uber and DoorDash ride along. We're going to see who can pay me the most money, Uber versus DoorDash, and I am excited. We're going to do Uber Eats, not Uber Ride. So Uber Eats versus DoorDash, and I'm excited to see which one is going to pay me more money today. So far, I've got one DoorDash order. It was $9 for 6 miles, and we like that because we like to get at least $1 per mile. Let's go ahead and see. The first run has already been completed, so now I'm just kind of posted up outside of Starbucks. It's currently 12:23, and I started around right at about 11:45. Close to 12. So yeah, guys, I'm going to just see what I can get within the next few hours, and I'll let you guys know along the way how it's going. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned so you can see who pays better, Uber or DoorDash. Let's go. I will say so far both of the apps have been giving me a hard time. When I first started trying to work today, neither one of the apps would cooperate. I found out that the DoorDash app needed to be updated, so I did that. And then I went to the Uber app and it needed to be updated as well. So the fact that they both needed to be updated at the same time was kind of weird to me, but I went ahead and updated them both, and then it was still glitching and just not working for me, kept timing out. So then I just went ahead and reset my phone and then came back and it worked. Both of them work properly. So if you ever run into that problem where the app is just stalling, is not working, you always want to check and see if there's an update available. And then once you get the update, if it's still not working, resetting your phone is always an option to see if you can get things going. So just a little tip there in case you ever run into that problem. Okay guys, so we got a quick update already. I just received a order for Starbucks, which I told you I'm just posted up at Starbucks anyway, so this is perfect. And it's for $9 again, and it's for 4 miles, so we're cooking with grease now. DoorDash is definitely kicking Uber Eats butt right now, so let's go get the Starbucks. Oh yes, and one really important tip when you're doing multi-apping is just be sure to turn off the other app when you do hook one from the other one. So I just received the one from DoorDash I told you guys about, and so I after that went ahead and turned off my Uber Eats, because you don't want to get to a point where you have one Uber Eats on the hook and a DoorDash on the hook, and then you're trying to satisfy both apps at the same time. It does not work out well for you. Please, from experience, you guys, please just try to keep one app active once you get an order on the hook. So that's some really good advice so that you don't have angry customers and you can get everybody's food to them on time and hot. All right, let's go. Okay, you guys, so I am back with a quick update. The Starbucks run went really well. The Starbucks was a bit busy. It was like an afternoon rush or something. Only about 2 or 3 people were working, but they did a good job, all things considered. It just took a little longer for me to get in and out of Starbucks than usual, but we got it done. And then the next thing I got was this place called Johnny's Tavern, and it's for 2 miles. And I get $7, so we definitely love that. So yeah, let me go ahead and grab this, and then I'll be back. So far total, I'm at $18 without getting the $7 I just picked up. So we're doing good. And 0 for Uber Eats. Oh, and the time is currently 1 p.m. So for 1 hour, I've got $18. Not bad. We'll take it. Super quick update. I am at about $25.50 on DoorDash and 0 for Uber Eats. And I just picked up another one. This one I'm actually kind of lowballing myself just a little bit because it is, I believe, like $7 for 9 miles. But I'm in a little bit of a weird time frame because it's like after lunch, but it's like not dinner yet. So it's like that 1:30 going on to kind of awkward, so I kind of pick up what I can during this time, and then it picks up and I get even better offers later. Anywho, I got the 54th Street, and I'm glad I checked the notes because they actually asked for utensils, so I had to go back and get the utensils for them. So I got that. I always like to accommodate my customers if they need something extra, so definitely remember that. It's always nice to read the extra notes and see what you can do to help make their meal more enjoyable. So anywho, let's go and drop this off. All right, everyone, so it is 2:04 and I am at my roughly 2-hour mark, and I'm at $33 on DoorDash, $0 on Uber Eats. And let me just tell you, Uber Eats have been having orders come through. It's just they've been trying to play me because they've been trying to get me to go like 16 miles for like $5, and that's not what we're doing. So I've been just ignoring those, and once DoorDash gave me something good, I turn off Uber Eats and go on about my business. And then when I get cleared, I turn both of them on and just see who give me the best deal, pretty much. So anyway, I'm at a Shake Shack, and this just came in. It's a little off my dollar per mile, but I mean, it's $10 for 11 miles, so we'll take that. Anywho, let me grab this real quick, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm back with a quick update. That one was pretty interesting. The one for $10 I was telling you guys about. It got me up to $43 and some change, so I'm really happy about that. Still zero on the UberEATS side. But yeah, that one was a delivery to a business, and I'm like pulling up, and there's like a strip of businesses with the same address. They have different suite numbers, and the person didn't give me a suite number, so I'm just like, okay, eeny meeny miny mo. So thank God I went to the first business and it was the right one, so I got that delivered. So yay, let's keep going. Okay, so I'm pleased to announce that UberEATS has entered the chat with $14 for 14 miles, so I definitely accepted that one. And I thought they played me at first, because when I pulled up to the place where I'm supposed to be going, which is Sonic, they said it was on the left, so of course I turned in on the left, and there was no Sonic. There was a Papa John's. I'm like, oh no. And then I was gonna go ahead and just cancel it, because clearly Papa John's is not Sonic. But then I looked over across the street, and surely the Sonic is on the right. So anywho, that's the only problem with this order so far. So I'm in line waiting for them to check me in and give me the food for the customer. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, I'm excited that UberEATS finally decided to come to play. Okay, so that went well. I was a little nervous because there was some notes saying that you can't see the house from the street, so you have to like go down the alley a little bit and then you'll see the house. So it was like really special instructions. So I was like, oh Lord, please help me get this right. But he did a good job explaining it, so I was able to get right there, drop off the food, and now we're on to the next one. Let's go. Oh yeah, another thing, the only thing I really about those ones that are like 14, 15 miles away, I mean, yeah, it pays good money, it does, but you find yourself having to spend another, 20, 30 minutes sometime just getting back to like the hot spots. So I don't know, it's give or take. So I like getting the ones that are shorter distance, 6-7 miles for like $9-10 would be really nice. But you gotta throw in some of those longer distance ones as well to keep everything balanced. Okay, you guys, so I'm here with the final update. So I'm going to conclude this video because I went to meet up with my husband at his truck stop so we can have lunch together, and we just laughed and talked, and now it is 6:07 p.m. and I'm full and ready to go take a nap, honey. I don't even feel like working no more. So let's go ahead and conclude this video with my totals. So on the DoorDash side, I made $43.50, and on the UberEATS side, I made $14.09. And so DoorDash wins today. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Again, I'm Tiara B, and I'm just doing me. Bye.